In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate your Wells Fargo debit card. Whether you're a new customer or you've just received a replacement card, activating it is a simple process that can be completed in a few straightforward steps using the Wells Fargo mobile app. Let's walk through this process together, ensuring you get your new card up and running efficiently and securely. First, you'll need to have the Wells Fargo mobile app installed on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, go ahead and visit your device's app store. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, the app is readily available to you. Once you have it installed, open the app and log in using your username and password. A little tip here: make sure your login credentials are secure and not shared with anyone, as this is the first line of defense in protecting your account. After logging in, you'll arrive at the home screen. Here's where you can manage your various accounts and transactions. Locate the cards section. It's usually prominently displayed, so it should be fairly easy to find. Once you see it, tap on the new debit card that you'd like to activate. This should take you to a page specifically related to your card, providing you with various options regarding its management. Within this section, keep an eye out for a button or link labeled Activate Card. Tap this to move forward. At this stage, the app will guide you through a few on-screen instructions designed to activate your card. Take your time here and read through each prompt carefully. You may be asked to confirm your identity as an added security measure. This is often done by entering a code that Wells Fargo will send to you either via text message or email. It's a quick step, but a crucial one to ensure your account's security. Enter the code when prompted, and within a few moments your card will be activated. You're now ready to use your Wells Fargo debit card for purchases, whether online or in person. Should you encounter any issues, or if anything seems unclear during the activation process, don't hesitate to contact Wells Fargo's customer service for assistance. They're there to help you and can provide further guidance as needed. And there you have it. Your Wells Fargo debit card is now activated and ready for use. By following these straightforward steps, you've ensured that your new card is securely activated and you're on your way to managing your finances with ease. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the convenience of your Wells Fargo debit card.